Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your passion experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, creators, and podcasters, and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support their artistic love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So right now all I have to do is click over get started and to write your email address and your password. If you already did that, you have just to click over login and you find your account. And here you write your email address and your password, as you can see. So this is the home page. You have to check or verify here if you are a creator, so it's very important that note. So here we have the home page, as you can see. So we have here your pattern is ready. Here is how to make it yours. Adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. You have just to add a profile photo, describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. You have here make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or upon a space of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring it in more visitors. We have you publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then you have to tell people here, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. About this one, you have just to write your video URL here, and in the bio you have to add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and why you create and why you are on Patreon. Then you have your social. Help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page. We will never post on your behalf. So I already connected YouTube here. You can also add Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, so you can add the one you want. Then you have you make your first public. You have to select the type, for example, text, video, audio, image, link, poll, live stream also. So I'll select this one. Then we have here create text post. You have just to add the title, for example, selling product as an example. Then we have honestly write anything, your members will love it. For example, gift of new shoes of basketball, especially Kyrie Irving, Infinity, or on top. As you can see, Then you click over attachments. You can upload the image, for example upload the image of Kyrie, then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find publishing options. We have here who can access this post, public or paid members only, free members only. We have here this post will be visible to anyone who visits your Patreon, for example, for public. And then we have paid members. Only paid members will be able to view this post. Then we have here free members only. Only free members will have access to this post. So I will choose public. Then we have here set a release date, schedule your post or set it to have an earlier release date. Backdated posts will want to be at the top of your page and will appear based on the date you set. Then we have here allow comments on this post. All members can comment on your public posts. You have how much free members when this post goes live and you publish it. So let's come back. We have here also collections. You can just create a collection. You have to add the title, description also, and then you upload the image and you click over create collection. Then we have memberships here. Build your paid membership. Income you can count or earn acquiring income from your biggest fans. We have also start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then we have grow your creative business, gain insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats and more. You can just click over get started, and you have right now to just read this information. For example, what benefits should they offer, choose what to offer, and if you click over next, you have your tires and pricing, what many tires should I have, what price should I choose. Then you customize tire. You have just to write your tire name, monthly price. Then you have describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then we have cover image, add cover image. Then we have tire benefits. Let your members know what they can expect from this membership tire. Then we have a trial rule. Allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. We have your advanced tire settings. Ask members for a shipping address and the checkout. We have limited number of members who can join this tire. For example, 1 million. And you have discover. So I choose 1 million, of course, because I am very famous. Then we have discover, Discord access, and configure fate. So let's come back. So you can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful and useful to use it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.